Hello, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax LBI, and this is the 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Here we are at the bow of the Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. You have storage below each seat, port and starboard. Right below me, in-floor storage. You have the infinity woven flooring. Nice head compartment. Your helm. Fusion stereo. A 9-inch Simrad touchscreen display. Tilt steering, your shift throttle, USB connectors as well as 12-volt adapter, your captain's chairs have a bolster that goes up and down, in-floor ski locker, storage in the back here. You have a portable cooler. Additional storage. Battery switch. More storage. It does have a transom gate. The trunk. Two tables. Table mount forward as well as a table mount aft. This boat does have the optional ski tower. At the transom, we have the Mercury 200 outboard in white and a ski pylon. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax LBI. You can reach me here at 609-494-2102, or you can reach me at jim.ferg@marinemax.com. Thank you.